Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pankri Gupta. I'm a tarot card reader, angel therapist, healer, and a transformation coach. Today we're going to talk about how angel therapy actually works. So let's get started. We begin angel therapy by creating a bonding connection with our guardian angels or any angel that you want to seek guidance from. And this we do via either a particular type of meditation, a prayer, or through angel cards. Starting with meditation. Meditation are of many types. They can be angel specific, they can be guardian angel specific, or they can have a particular kind of music to increase your vibrational frequency. Now, depending on what exactly is your need, we pick and choose a particular meditation for you. Coming to prayer, prayer is the easiest and the simplest way of asking for guidance and asking for help. You can be anywhere around the world, you can be seated anywhere in your house. All you have to do is call upon your guardian angel, call upon the angel that you want to seek guidance from, and simply say, please help me with this, or I seek guidance from this. You can frame it any way that you're comfortable with, but remember, purer your soul, purer your heart, and purer your intention, the angel is going to be there immediately, faster than you know, to come and help you. Now, coming to angel cards. Angel cards is one of the most effective ways of creating a bond and connection with them, because the minute you sit in front of your cards, you've already started creating a connection with them. You are already transferring your energies into the card. You're already sending out your vibrations, your questions, your intentions, everything, and the cards are so quick at absorbing all of this. So the angels exactly know what is it that you're seeking for before you even ask them for it. And so the minute you start asking questions, an angel therapist or a healer in front of you starts picking out cards and starts answering them for you. And remember, angels will not give you a direct answer. That is not how they work. Angels are always there to give you a guidance, because all of us are meant to find the answers on our own. Think of it like this. You're at a crossroads. You have four different ways to go. You're confused. You don't know which paths to take. However, your intuition is telling you that this path is better in comparison to the other paths. Have you ever tried to understand what is that intuition? How are you getting that gut feeling? What exactly is that intuition trying to tell you? At that time, let me tell you, the intuition that you're getting, the gut feeling that you're getting, that is a message that the angel or your guardian angel is giving you. That is their channel of communicating with you. The angel is not around you to write down a message for you. They're not going to draw something, they're not going to sing for you. The most effective and the most powerful way of how they can communicate with you is sending you a message via your intuition, via your gut feeling. That is the channel that they use, and that is such a strong and powerful way of connecting, creating a bond with you. So yes, we've talked about prayer, we've talked about meditation, we've talked about angel cards, we've talked about how important understanding intuition and gut feeling is. Now, after all of this, I also want to tell you that, let's say in a particular situation, you do get an intuition, you do get a feeling about, that you should be taking this decision, or sometimes you see a sign or a symbol from the angel. Let's say you see 111 or 4x1 on your phone, or 222, 333, any of these, or you see a butterfly flying around you, out of nowhere. These are all beautiful signs that the angels are trying to tell you. Let's say you ignore all of that and you still take a decision which is different from all of this, and that decision does not go the way you imagined it to go. You can still come back to your angel and ask them for guidance again. Angels are never going to judge you. Angels are never going to get angry at you, because they are patiently waiting for you to ask them for guidance, even if it's 10,000 times. They're not going to get tired of helping you, and they want you to ask them for help again and again. Any time of the day, any time of the night, they're there to help you. So guys, I hope all of this gave you an insight into how angel therapy works. If apart from all of this, you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section and I will be very happy to answer them for you. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, love and light.